Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So in today's video I wanted to address something that's been going on. So I wanted to test out this concealer from Tarte. This is a famous one and you've probably seen a lot of beauty gurus test it out by now, but I wanted to give it a go as well because it's been so raved about. But recently Tarte also came out with two foundations, matte one and a hydrating one, and there has been a lot of drama surrounding that topic, and I just wanted to tell you what I've realized. I've realized that I would have tested out those foundations and I wouldn't even notice the shade range. I wouldn't even notice that there are so many shades missing. Not so many, there aren't any deep shades almost at all. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. I'm sorry that that is something that could happen to me. So I'm sorry in advance if I was inconsiderate in the past, or if I ever do something like that in the future, because I know that can be very hard on a lot of you out there to not be considered at all when creating a product, and it's usually the people of color that miss out the most and cannot find their shades, and that's really hurtful. That's really bad. And the reason I don't consider that a lot of the times is because there isn't much racial diversity in my country. There isn't any racial diversity in my country at all. So I'm not aware of the fact of how certain people get just ignored. Ignored is a good word. So I might do something like that in the future, and I just want to say that I'm sorry. It's not because I don't care. Well, it's because I'm not aware. I'm not aware of the pain that it's causing, because I don't have experience with that in my everyday life. So yeah, now we're going to talk about another topic. We're going to switch to something more positive and talk about the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one comes in a large variety of shades, so I don't want to bash Tarte. They have some good products, but it's a bad thing that they didn't consider so many people, and yeah. So I'm going to give them some slack and talk about their product, because I know that can happen to me, to not consider some people, and I don't think it was I don't think they would do that on purpose, knowing how hurt some people would be. So yeah, that's why I'm going to review this concealer, and I've heard it's a good one. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so this is the box that the concealer comes in. It has some great ingredients. It has skin invigorating ingredients. It has shea butter, sunflower, peony, licorice root, and vitamin E, which is amazing. And yeah, this is the box, as I mentioned. I've got the shade Light Sand. That's probably not my perfect shade, but it'll have to do. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually a little bit bigger than an average concealer. It comes with 10 milliliters or 0.3381 fluid ounces, which is good. And yeah, let me open it so that you can see. It's almost like a third of a foundation bottle, so that's amazing actually. It has this huge doe foot applicator, as you can see, and yeah, the packaging is really nice. Now let's test it out. Okay, so let's test this out. The smell is amazing, so okay, that was only one dip, so let's blend this out. This is really full coverage. I can tell you straight away. Okay, I just needed one dip to cover up everything, and it's not very thick and it's not very thin either, but I like it. It's not creasing at the moment, but I'm going to hurry up and set it, and then we're going to do a little wear test. So I'm using the RCMA translucent powder to set it. And I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to apply a generous amount and wipe it off straight away. I'm not going to leave it because I don't want to dehydrate my under eyes. Okay, I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours since I applied the concealer, and I must say my under eyes looks amazing. It hasn't creased or anything. It looks just as beautiful as the moment I applied the concealer, which is amazing. The shade is a little bit too light for me. I should have gotten a darker shade, but I can make it work. It doesn't seem too crazy. So yeah, this is my favorite concealer so far. So I really do recommend it. They have a big shade range for this one. I believe they have 14 shades. I love the applicator. It's huge, but it's nice. I don't know. It has 10 milliliters of product, which is more than a typical concealer. It's almost a third of a typical foundation. So yeah, I think foundations have around 30 milliliters of product or 1 fluid ounce. So yeah, that's really amazing, and I'm really excited about having and using this product, and I hope they will come out with some more foundation shades as well. And yeah, that concludes this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos all the time and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!